Shift D 16, press enter. So this is what we have. Now we are going to cut it in order to leave our swimming pool stairs. So we are going to start with this one. You press Ctrl, you cut here, cut here, cut here, cut here. Then next one, you cut here, you cut here. Ctrl Z. Okay, cut here, cut here. And this is what you will have. You have something like this. So these are your stairs. You can delete all these other lines that are not useful. Delete. Okay, so that's done. Now we are going to put the second part of the swimming pool. That is, you go down the stairs and you arrive at this level. Now you need to go down again to arrive at another level. So we are going to duplicate this one. Ctrl Shift D. Let's see at 140. Now do the thread. We do the thread again. Ctrl Shift D. Ctrl Shift D 20, enter. Ctrl Shift D 20, enter. Ctrl Shift D, click 20, click enter. So that's it. Now the riser. Ctrl Shift D 17, enter. Ctrl Shift D 17, enter. Ctrl Shift D 17, enter. So this is where we are. Now cut it and remove the unnecessary lines. Ctrl Z. Okay, remove this one, remove this one. Okay, this is where we are. We delete the unnecessary lines. Delete and cut these other lines. They are not useful. Control, delete. You cut here, you cut here. So this is where you are. Now you just put something like this to reach. Just put something like this to reach the lower surface. You can then modify it in this way, so that okay. So this is what you have. Delete. Ctrl Z, you cut it. So this is what you have. Now we need to offset. We need to offset all these lines. All these lines like this downwards. So you can select it all and you join them, or just offset it one after the other. Ctrl Shift D, bring it down. Ctrl Shift D, offset it. Normally you are offsetting it at a certain distance. Let's say 1 centimeter. Offset all the lines. Okay, if you're done offsetting, you can now join and delete the lines. You can now join and delete the other lines. You press Shift, you intersect, shift, you intersect, shift, you intersect, shift, and you intersect all the lines. Okay, so this is what you have. You have something like this. You now fill it. Press fill, and you fill it. Now when you fill it, we go under, you select, you click on it, you click our right surface, and we change the material to mosaic blue. You put the mosaic blue tiles. You can delete this line, delete, and we also delete this line, delete. Okay, so we now save it under wall again. Just put our profile manager beside. You double click on the wall, you go under pool, and this is your pool floor already. You click OK. You can now come and put your pool floor like this from here. Put your pool floor like this up to here. You click OK. Let's check. This is how it looks like. Now bring it down. Bring this part down. This is your pool floor. Bring it down at a distance 155. Click enter. Go and check. Let's check. And we check. You see that we're having a small problem here. We're having a small problem here, so we need to modify 2 or 3 things on our pool again. Let's go and edit this profile. We draw a line here. Let's draw a line here from here to here. Now you fill it. Select our right surface, mosaic blue tiles. Okay, save. Then let's check on 3D. Okay, this one problem solved. Let's go on the ground floor plan and modify. Let's do 2-3 settings. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's check our 3D. Bring it down. Okay, this is how our pool looks like, but we still need to change this surface to put it mosaic, put it mosaic blue. Okay, let's go and modify our surface. This is what we have here. Let's go on 2D and check here. Let's go and check. Okay, it's okay here. It's okay. We now need to modify. We now need to modify here. Let's change the surface here. And go directly in the wall and activate both of them. Put the tiles mosaic blue. Tiles mosaic blue. And click OK. Okay, so this is our mosaic blue. These are mosaic blue tiles. Now you see that we have a small problem here. You can just zoom to fix the problem. You can bring this one close to here. Let's check again. Okay, then you need to bring the slab again. Let's move the slab a little bit. Let's move the slab a few centimeters. Let's move the slab here. Let's check on 3D. Voila, it's perfect. This thing, our swimming pool is we are almost done with the swimming pool. Things on this gutter in order to protect the users, so that they should not wound themselves. So let's go and put that. Let's go and place it. Now to place it, we are going to go under railings. Go under railings and do some 2-3 railing setting for us to have what we are looking to obtain, the result that we are expecting. So under railings, you go under top rail, you remove the top rail, handrail, remove rail, you remove inner post. Do as I'm doing. Inner post, remove baluster, you add balusters. You need to add balusters. Now click here, check. This is the one metal rail, this is the one selected. Okay, double click here. Okay, these are balusters. Top rail you remove, handrail you remove, rail you remove, inner post you remove. You're now left with balusters. Then we reduce the height of these balusters. So we go under segment 1 centimeter. So this is how it looks like. Then we go under baluster, then the spacing between the two balusters. Let's put 5 and check. Okay, let's put 15. Let's check. Okay, 15 is much. Let's put 3. Then thickness, let's put 5 here. When you do it, you observe the changes. We go on that segment. Okay, after that you click OK. No, let's go under baluster again. We need to do under baluster setting. Let's take this one, then the height 1 centimeter, the width 3 centimeters. Height 1 centimeter, width 3 centimeters. Then the spacing 4 centimeters. Okay, or let's say 3 centimeters. No, 4 centimeters. Okay, we click OK. We go on 2D, and we need to keep in mind that the size from here to here is 24, meaning we are going to take 22 for us to have We also have a difference of 11 by the two sides, so this is where our border is, from here to here. So you simply draw it. This is where we draw it like this. Is what we have. Let's go and check. Done.
Minus is 66. We would have plus. Oh, that's the new one.
Sunday check away.